आज का वीडियो बहुत ही स्पेशल है मेरे लिए बिकॉज दिस इज़ वन ऑफ माई मिशंस इन लाइफ टू गेट पीपल अबव द एज ऑफ 40 टू विजिट द जिम और टू लिफ्ट वेट्स एट होम। अगर आप 40 के एज के ऊपर हो देन दिस वीडियो इज स्पेसिफिकली फॉर यू, और इफ यू आर बिलो द एज ऑफ 40 प्लीज वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड एंड कन्वे दिस मैसेज टू योर पेरेंट्स। इवन बेटर, शो देम दिस वीडियो। लास्ट 10 years में द अवेयरनेस अबाउट लिफ्टिंग वेट्स और फिटनेस या जिम जाने के बारे में जो इंफॉर्मेशन आया है दैट इज सो सिग्निफिकेंट दैट यू मस्ट बी वंडरिंग कि यार ये सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए है, इज दिस ओनली फॉर पीपल इन देयर 20s और 30s, और कैन यू एज समवन हु इज मोर देन 40 years old also go to the gym, also lift weights? This video is going to blow your mind. सबसे पहले लेट मी टेल यू दैट गोइंग टू द जिम और लिफ्टिंग वेट्स और डूइंग स्ट्रेंथ और रेजिस्टेंस ट्रेनिंग इज नॉट ओनली फॉर एथलीट्स और बॉडी बिल्डर्स और फॉर यंगस्टर्स। ये सिर्फ यंगस्टर्स का काम नहीं है, इनफैक्ट इसकी जरूरत आपको उनसे भी ज्यादा है। लेट मी टेल यू व्हाई। Now, as you age, there is something called as age-related muscle loss. इसको हम कहते हैं सार्कोपीनिया। अभी सार्कोपीनिया में क्या होता है दैट एज यू एज विथ ईच पासिंग ईयर आपके बॉडी का मसल मास कम होते जाता है। Similarly, we also have something called as bone density, which is basically telling us about how strong our bones are. Now, in almost all individuals, you hit your peak bone mass at the age of 30. मतलब जब आप 30 साल के थे, your bone density was at its best, and after that, with each passing year, your bone density will gradually decline. इसका मतलब है that your muscle mass and your bone density, both of these are decreasing as you become older and older. And guess what you need to do to preserve your muscle mass and decrease the speed at which your bone density goes down? The answer is simple: lift weights and do resistance training. अभी आप बोलोगे यार डॉक्टर मनन, our parents, our grandparents never did any of this. They lived till 70, 80, 90, सब ठीक था, तो अभी क्यों बता रहे हो आप ये? So please understand that this research has come over the last 1, 2, 3 decades where the awareness about strength training, the awareness about muscle mass being so important has come very recently. Also, आप भूलिए मत कि हमारे जो ancestors थे वो सब चीज़ खुद करते थे। They were walking way more than us, they were working way more than us, they were going to do day-to-day chores outside the house वे मोर देन अस। आज के ज़माने में फूड डिलीवरी ऐप आपको घर पे आके खाना देती है, आपका ट्रांसपोर्ट व्हीकल भी आपके डोर स्टेप पे आता है। प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दैट आवर physical functionality and usage of our body, its muscles, the joints is very different from our ancestors back then. So if you are going to compare everything to your ancestors, then make sure you include all these points also. Secondly, प्लीज भूलिए मत दैट कंपेयर टू आवर एंसेस्टर्स द लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी हैज इंक्रीज। इसका मतलब है दैट साइंस, मेडिसिन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी का इवॉल्वमेंट इतना हुआ है टू कीप यू अलाइव एंड hopefully healthier and fitter for as long as possible, which means I am sure you will also want to be functional for more years. इसका मतलब है कि आपको 75-80 के एज में I am sure you don't want to be on a wheelchair or you don't want to be bedridden or you don't want to be walking with a walker. आपकी भी demands from life, your life expectations will also be very, very different. You will want to play with your grandkids, you will want to go out in the park and meet your friends. Some people may even want to travel the world at that age. To be independent, to be functional, you need adequate bone density and you need adequate muscle mass, for which you need to lift weights now. Please understand, the decisions you make in your 30s, 40s and 50s will decide the quality of your life in your 60s, 70s and 80s. अभी कुछ लोग बोलेंगे यार डॉक्टर मनन ये उम्र में वेट ट्रेनिंग में थोड़ी करूंगा या करूंगी, आई विल नॉट गो एंड लिफ्ट वेट्स, मैं योगा करता हूँ, मैं एरोबिक्स करती हूँ, आई एम डूइंग दीज बेसिक थिंग्स एंड दैट इज इनफ। सी आई एम नॉट अगेंस्ट एनी पर्टिकुलर टाइप ऑफ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी, लेकिन हर एक चीज की कोई ना कोई लिमिटेशंस होती है. You need to understand that your muscles, your bones, your joints have a variety of roles and functions to play in your body, and you need to have good amount of mobility, stability, flexibility and strength to carry out all these roles, responsibilities and functions throughout life. Now in certain types of physical activity, you may be working on your mobility and flexibility only, लेकिन आपका strength ज़्यादा बढ़ नहीं रहा. To work on your strength, you need to add external weight or some form of resistance, and that's where weight training or going to the gym and doing basic machines can actually help you, even if you do it 2 to 3 times per week. हमारे body के muscles में there are two types of fibers, fast twitch and slow twitch. And it is the fast twitch muscle fibers जो responsible होते हैं for the strength and power. These are also the type of muscle fibers that diminish faster with age. Fast twitch muscle fibers को intact रखने के लिए you need to add some resistance and some weight training or weight lifting, or else you will lose them over time. Means आप ज़्यादा weak होंगे बहुत ही जल्दी and you will not be able to do day-to-day activities that you want to in your life as you age. कुछ लोग ये भी कहते हैं कि यार मैं कार्डियो करता हूं जिम में लेकिन वेट ट्रेनिंग नहीं. प्लीज रिमेंबर कार्डियो इज ऑल्सो गुड, लेकिन कार्डियो का मतलब है इट इज फॉर योर हार्ट. It is great for your overall fitness, it is great for your overall endurance, it will also help boost your metabolism. But it is not about selecting only cardio or only weights. You have to do a mix of both. लेकिन weight training has its own merit, and just by doing cardio you are not going to get the benefits that you will get by weight training. Another thing people ask कि ये age पे मुझे strength training क्या benefit देगा? Let me tell you 5 benefits that it will have on your body even at this age. सबसे पहला, ये आपके bones को strengthen करेगा and will reduce the risk of developing fractures in life. Number 2, it will improve your balance and reduce the risk of falls. Number 3, it will help manage chronic pain. मतलब जो nagging joint pains और aches होते हैं आपको muscles में, neck pain, back pain, all of that will disappear if you start weight training. Number 4, ये आपके cardiovascular health को boost करेगा, ये आपके insulin sensitivity को improve करेगा, which means it reduces the risk of developing diabetes. And number 5, research has shown that weight training improves the quality of your sleep and it also helps enhance your mood. I hope by now you are convinced कि आपको weight training करने की जरूरत है. अभी आप बोलोगे डॉक्टर मनन, how do I start? Listen, you have to start very slow and very gradual. आपको injured नहीं होना है by doing a wrong form or a wrong technique of a particular exercise. If you feel the need to get some professional help or personal training, it's not a bad idea for the first few months so that you get into the rhythm and the routine. If you want a guide for an everyday beginner workout that you can do from home starting today, please click on this link. मैंने ये video already बनाया है and you can start doing this entire series of exercise as a do along while watching my video. Please remember, it is never too late to start. My patients who are coming to me with knee arthritis even at the age of 55, 58, 62, 66, सबको मैं वेट ट्रेनिंग पे लगाता हूं and they start their journey at that age. Whether you are 40, 50, 60 or 70, it is not the age to slow down. It is in fact the age to buck up, educate yourself and take necessary steps to improve the quality of your life. One of which is starting to lift weights right now. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button. If you are above the age of 40, 50 or 60 and you are lifting weights, please share your experience in the comment section so others can also see it and get inspired. If you are below the age of 40, please show this video to your parents and then drop a comment telling me what they said and if they got influenced to start working out. Trust me, it will make my day. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one.